absolutely. Yeah. All right. Hey guys, Jesse James coming at you with another video. Today we got some of these NBA Hoops Cello packs for you guys. Yeah, we found these over at Target for $9.99, right? Just about. So figured yeah, I think it's the first time we ever opened any basketball on the channel. So I'm excited to open them up, see what we can get. Let's get something good.
Let's go.
All right. Starting it off, we have a George Hill. A Lowry Markkanen. Draymond Green. Cantavius Caldwell Pope. Taurean Prince. Tobias Harris. Serge Ibaka. Nice, a Luka Doncic.
Oh, nice.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah, that's neat. Jackson Hayes. A Gordon Hayward. A DeAndre Hunter. Bogdanovic. Another good player. Gordon Dragic. Gray Harris. Oh, yeah, on the next one. Matthew Dellavedova. I totally butchered that last name, but Derek White. Derrick Rose. The guy I know. Markelly Fultz. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander.
Wow. What a name.
Dude.
What do we have?
Oh, come on, Panini. Give us an auto. Give us an auto, please. Can you just do us that? Can you? Oh! We got an auto. Anderson Varejao of Varejao.
Wow, that's
Wow,
awesome,
look at that.
That's a
We
nice
pulled
card.
out of a cello pack. We got an
Cello
auto.
pack,
Look
dude.
at that.
That's why people like the
Anderson
NBA cards.
Varejao.
That's really
Wow. Look at that.
Really cool. Next card coming up is really nice too.
Oh my God, look at that. Never thought we would get an auto out of this one. That's awesome.
That's crazy.
That
dude.
is super cool. Did not expect that at all. That's got me hyped. That's super cool.
Really
And then look at this one, a
Refractor?
Desmond Bain refractor.
That's
Look
pretty
at
cool,
that.
too.
I cannot believe we got an auto out of a cello
Plus
pack.
that, too.
That's insane.
That's a pretty nice card there too.
Oh, and we got a Zion.
What?
We got the future issue Zion Williamson.
Oh wow.
Oh my God.
That is awesome.
Oh my God. I can't believe we got a Zion out of this too.
Wow.
Dude, this is really good. Oh my God.
Might have to get up in the morning.
We might have, yeah. And we got a Giannis. We got a Giannis. Frequent Flyers Giannis in one cello pack. Oh my God. What is going on?
This is insane.
Dude, this is like our best opening ever. Oh my God. Oh, that's insane.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Look at
That's
these cards.
insane. Oh my God. And arriving now, Alkesi Pokasevsky.
Wow. Dude.
Oh my God.
This is insane.
This is nuts, dude. Oh my God. I wish we ended on this pack. I know this. I can't imagine this next pack is going to be as good. Oh my God. Precious Achua.
Wow.
Leonardo Balmard. Tyrell Terry. RJ Hampton.
It's a rookie.
Nick Richards. Yeah, all these last guys are rookies, yeah. And then a Kenyon Martin Jr.
Nice, dude.
Dude, that has got to be one of the best we've had on the channel so far. That
so nice,
was
dude.
really,
So
really good.
nice.
That was impressive. Like, that's crazy.
And we still got one more to go.
A Zion and a Giannis.
Yeah.
And a signed card all in one pack.
Oh, my goodness.
That is absolutely insane. Oh my god, that is crazy.
That's crazy, dude. Wow.
Man, let's get the same energy with this pack. Let's get the same energy with this pack. Absolutely, let's get the same energy with this pack.
Yes.
Oh my god. All right, let's see. Start off same guys last time. George Hill.
Yeah.
Just started off. Hey, that might be a good sign. A Lauri Markkanen. A Draymond Green. Kentavious Caldwell-Pope. Taurean Prince. Tobias Harris. Serge Ibaka. Another Luka Doncic. I think these are all the same cards in the front so far. If I remember, I'm pretty sure these are the same cards in the front.
I remember seeing him.
Jackson Hayes. Gordon Hayward. DeAndre Hunter. Bogdan Bogdanovic. Gordon Dragic. Gary Harris. Matthew Dellavedova. Derek White. Yeah, these are definitely the same ones as before, yeah. Derrick Rose. Markelle Fultz. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander. Hassan Whiteside.
Ooh,
Our refractor is a Danny Green
nice. That's a
for the
good
Lakers.
card.
That's a really nice looking card.
Wow.
That's super nice.
Ooh, look at that one.
Have a frequent Flyers, Ben Simmons. Oh,
Nice.
really nice. That's super cool. Ben Simmons, good player too.
Check that out.
Have a Steph Curry.
Oh, nice.
Warriors vanity plates,
That's
Stephen
a nice
Curry.
card.
Oh my god, these are like really nice.
Wow.
Stephen Curry, look at that.
It's really nice.
Definitely got to sleeve that one up. Have a lights, camera, action, Victor Oladipo. Really cool.
Pretty cool.
Then I think we end off with the rookies. We got Jordan Nwora. Ooh, Jalen Smith. That's a good one.
Nice.
Danai Avdija. Sorry if I'm butchering these names, guys.
I believe you.
Onyeka Okongwu. Oh my god, these guys have some really complicated names. Sabin Lee. And a Jaden McDaniels.
Nice, dude.
This has got to be one of the best ones I think we've done in a while. We got some really, really good ones.
So freaking nice.
We got some really good cards. First pack got a signed one. And we got a Giannis. And we got a Zion. And we got a Stephen Curry. And we got these refractor cards on top of it. This is Danny Green and Desmond Bain.
Not bad, not bad, not bad.
Yeah, this was something else. And this Ben Simmons.
Yeah.
100% worth it. 100% worth it.
Way better man,
This
than the baseball
was,
one.
yeah, this
my
was
goodness.
really good. I can't believe we got this stuff. Yeah, this is. What'd you think, guys? First NBA video. Should we do more? I think so for sure. But leave a comment down below so we want to hear what you guys think. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys.
Yep.
Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.
Peace out.